Hello, my name is Monica Munoz, and today I will be presenting what I have done so far this week. As you could see here, I have my storyboard. I have a draft of what I created. I only created 3 slides this week, and I give a brief description of what I did. But now I want to take you back to my main slides. As you could see on the first slide, I have my introduction. I created a avatar using one of the resources that was provided um, on Blackboard. This is what I used. I found it really easy to play with and to personalize my own avatar. I really enjoyed looking at all the options to make it more personal. Taking you back to my presentation. On the second slide, I edited this image and then I tried to make it more of what I'm doing. And then on the third slide, I tried to make it a little bit interactive for the students. What I found difficult was that I wanted to incorporate audio while they were clicking on each of the buttons, but I couldn't do that. I had to create these slides like 3 times because I had a lot of trouble in going back and undoing stuff that I didn't like after all. The other thing that I couldn't do this week was to embed a video. I really wanted to include a YouTube video at the beginning of the slides, but I wasn't able to. I need to go back and continue playing with it to see if I could accomplish doing that. Now we'll show you what it looks like since the beginning. So here, if you click on the buttons, you will see that a definition will appear. And then you click on the next one and so on. So it has all the definitions. I tried to use the audio using first and second person as the reading set on chapter 9. So as I said previously, I'm still learning how to use this program. And for the future, my future slides, I will try to make it more interactive and I will add more visuals and hopefully I could do something else with the avatar. But for right now, this is what I have. Thank you.